What up? This is Man in the Hood 41. Okay, Mr. Yogi. UPS just delivered my packages. Got my 4500. And over here, I got my SUBS. P3s. Yep. So just got the box and everything open. Just did a little bit more sanding on it and everything. So let me see if the thing is that I'm planning on strapping the 2 amps. So I got to see if it had a data link cable on it, because the last one I ordered didn't have it, and if I don't have it, I'm gonna have to wait another 3 days before I'll be able to strap these amps. So let's see. Got the bass knob, cable for the bass knob. Oh, pretty boy, pretty boy. Yes. Like I said, I know it ain't the real top end stuff, but these are really decent amps to me. They are. I've never had a problem with them overheating, nor have I ever had a problem with them turning off on me. And they do put out. Might not put out what they say they put out, but they put out. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Got the manual. No data cable. This is upsetting. Oh, okay, here it is. Little piece for strapping. Strapping my 2 45s together. This is what I needed right here. But other than that, let me complete this, the installation of the SUBS, and I'll shoot this and shoot another video of them installed in the box or enclosure. Peace. Okay, I got the box in, got the SUBS in. Haven't did the amp yet, but here's a look on how the box looked inside the truck. Okay, that's standing up. I haven't tried it laying down yet, but I haven't strapped the amps yet. I haven't even hooked it up yet. It's still running off the 4500, and it's kind of hard because my seat and my damn seat cable broke on my seat. Now I can't let it down. I'm trying to get the back seat down. So the only one that lets down is the passenger side back. But other than that, it's the box is in, SUBS are in. It's still, everything is playing off the one 4500, and the major difference, just adding the 2 SUBS in this enclosure is badass. I just had to cuss the neighbors out. I just turned it on just for a second. And just one quick burst, you know, a burp, and damn neighbor gonna come outside and just look at me like he's crazy, and I just asked him what the fuck, you know. And then he talking about, I need more bass. I'm like, alright, let me hook this other motherfucker up and I'm gonna crank it up on your ass. But that right there, confirmation that it is louder and a lot deeper than what it was.